Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open a web browser and go to Google. Com on your desktop or mobile device. Sign into the Google account that controls Safe Search before making any changes. Click Settings in the lower right corner or tap the grid menu at the top right. Choose Search Settings from the menu to open the Search Controls page. Scroll down the page until you locate the Safe Search Filters section and prepare to toggle the filter off. In Search Settings, locate the Safe Search filters and uncheck or toggle the Safe Search option off. If using mobile, tap the toggle so the blue indicator turns gray and shows off. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click or tap Save to apply your new preference immediately. If the Safe Search setting is locked, sign out of supervised accounts or open the Family Link app to change restrictions. Use the account owner credentials to unlock and then repeat the toggle process. After saving, test your change by running a search for content that was previously filtered. If filtered results still appear, clear your browser cache or sign out and sign back into Google. Also check the Family Link app or supervised account settings for locks placed by a parent or admin. Verify any network-level filters on your router or ISP that may enforce Safe Search for all devices. Repeat the toggle and save process after resolving any.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.